Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your account with Netflix, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your account with Netflix, start by opening the Netflix app or visiting the Netflix website on your browser. If you are not already signed in, enter your email and password to log into your account. Once you are signed in, check your email for a verification message from Netflix. If you do not see the email, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and look for the verification link provided by Netflix. Click the link to verify your email address. After clicking the link, you will be redirected to the Netflix login page. Sign in again to confirm that your account is now verified. If you haven't received a verification email, you can request a new one. Return to the Netflix homepage and navigate to your account settings. Under Account Settings, find the option for Resend Verification Email. Click this option to have another verification email sent to your inbox. Once you receive the new email, repeat the verification process. If you face any issues during account verification, you can visit the Netflix Help Center for additional support. Make sure your internet connection is stable during this process. After verifying your account, you will have full access to all Netflix features. Enjoy streaming your favorite shows and movies with peace of mind, knowing your account is secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.